Okay guys, it's Ross Taylor, pre-owned director here at Don Jacobs, and today we are highlighting our Honda certified pre-owned vehicles. These are going to be top 5 reasons why to purchase a Honda certified pre-owned. Number 1, these vehicles are the best of the best. Not every vehicle qualifies for certified. They have to go through a 182-point inspection, which brings me to point number 2. We go through a 182-point inspection. Our certified technicians are going to comb over the vehicle. They're going to check the tires, make sure that the tread depth is a certain tread depth. The brakes have to be a certain capacity. And if it passes, it's going to bring me to number 3. Honda is going to apply its manufacturer warranty to support the 182-point inspection. Honda True certified vehicles will come with a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's going to be your engine, your transmission, and axle, and that's from the vehicle's very first service date. So for example, this 2017 Honda CR-V is now extended warranty to 2024 or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. It also is going to apply a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive coverage, what we used to call bumper to bumper. We don't call it bumper to bumper anymore because the bumpers aren't actually covered. So the comprehensive coverage covers the brains of the vehicle, all the computers that operate the systems. So again, Honda steps in, approves the 182-point inspection, and then applies that warranty, giving you that peace of mind that you're riding and driving with the warranty in the case that something happens. Number 4, lenders typically like the certified vehicles more so than others. So you get preferred rates with certified vehicles, and that's very important if you're financing a vehicle. And then number 5, it often goes missing. People forget about this. Roadside assistance. Roadside assistance is applied to all of our certified vehicles throughout the warranty coverage. So 7 years, 100,000 miles, you have roadside assistance. If you need a tow, if you have travel interruption, the roadside assistance will kick in and assist you. These are 5 great reasons to purchase Honda certified pre-owned vehicles.